Right, so if you saw the service video, LCL Communicator NI440DX, high-low power switch broken, which was a matter of replacing it from one on a scrap chassis, and just making sure the set was optimised. We've previously recently serviced by another engineer, and that's about it, just dancing around the edges. See whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, I will plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up towards the end of the lane, passing the new passing place and what will be the new doggy daycare on the right.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger that.
Service station 147.9 and 155.9.
Roger that, it's still open, are we early?
We are a bit today, it's about 10 to ish.
Roger.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads, and the chickens are out in the grass to my right.
Good.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Oh, you've got Roger Bleep, have you?
I think that's it, didn't I?
Yeah, it's not the same. I don't know what it is, because I don't think it's an Armstrong, because the tone's too low.
Hey, Roger.
Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on an LCL Communicator NI440DX and it's doing 3.8 watts output. I'm on a standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received. Going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Now on this LCL Communicators NI440DX from 1981. Same as the Manor Kestrel, the Planet 2000, Serpent UK 4000. And it's doing 3.8 watts and stroke 1.12 amps. Dropping on to low power. And there we are on low power. It's now drawing 640 milliamps and the radio is giving 400 milliwatts output. So go back on to full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. Well received on both, no issues.
These normally have good clarity of audio.
Yeah, it is, it's excellent.
Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're square wheeled for the level crossing.
Ah, I got you square wheel.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing.
Yep, 147.9, 157.9.
Okay, that's excellent, thank you. 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Yeah, 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yeah, 147.9, 157.9.
Okay, that's excellent, thank you. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Well, whether you not like these or not, I love these sets. They always work well for me. And now we have another one. So we'll go through to the base station with our standard replacement mic. And we'll also go through with the factory original mic, which is there.
Tango 21 testing the LCL Communicator NI440DX with the standard replacement mic. Pop it onto low power for a home test. These sets don't suffer from that. 54321 low power. There we are on low power and back to full. There we are back on full power. Now we'll go to the factory original mic. Home testing with the factory original mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pop it onto low power. There we are on low power. Testing 1, 2, 3. Back onto full power. And there you have it. So I know we've got a Mustang 3000 in the pipeline.